Which tree is known for making strong ships in ancient times? A. Teak tree. B. Palm tree. C. Bamboo tree. Teak tree. Which tree is often called the national tree of Lebanon? A. Birch tree. B. Pine tree. C. Cedar tree. Cedar tree. Which tree is commonly found in snowy regions? A. Mango tree. B. Fir tree. C. Palm tree. Fir tree. Which tree is used to make cricket bats? A. Willow tree. B. Maple tree. C. Coconut tree. Willow tree. Which tree produces acorns? A. Spruce. B. Oak. C. Birch. Oak tree. Which tree is called the tree of life in deserts? A. Palm. B. Baobab. C. Mesquite. Baobab tree. Which tree has needle-like leaves and cones? A. Pine tree. B. Teak tree. C. Mango tree. Pine tree. Which tree is known for producing fragrant wood? A. Sandalwood. B. Banyan. C. Sakura. Sandalwood.
Which tree can absorb large amounts of water in wetlands? A. Cypress. B. Cherry. C. Nutmeg. Cypress. B. Which tree is known for paper production? A. Fir tree. B. Walnut tree. C. Spruce tree. Spruce tree.